Hey guys, welcome back. Now we will try to create a racing car game, a simple 2D racing car game, where here we have our racing car and we would like to be right here without touching the red color, without going out of our road. So in this game you will learn how to use the if statements, as we call it in programming, in coding. We will program this car so that it will go according to our keyboard, to our arrows in the keyboard, so that we can drive this car until the exit point right here. So you can go to the resources of this lecture and download this racing car project, and then we will create this game with step-by-step examples. So let's try right now. Clicking to this car, I will name it car. So I will go right here to the events and I will say when flag is clicked, then I would like forever to check if key up arrow is pressed, then move, actually change y by 1. So I will duplicate this command and this block, and I will duplicate again. I would like to have 4 blocks because I have up arrow, I have down arrow, I have right arrow, and I have left arrow. So as you can see, I would like to change y by 1, but if I'm going to press the down arrow, I would like to change y by -1, then right arrow. I don't want to change y, but I want to change x by 1, and then change x by -1. So let's see right now. As you can see, I have a simple game right here. I can actually change this to 2 so that it is a little bit faster than this. So I will change all this and I will add one more if condition. I will say if my car touches color, this color, as you can see, I can actually click here and click the color that I want to touch. If my car touches this color, then I would like to say you lost, and then I would like to go back in the beginning. So go where it is right now. So I will take my car to the beginning, and you will see that when it is in the beginning, x and y have 2 specific values, 208 and minus 110. So this will be my starting point, and there my car will be after touching the red color. So let's start right now to see what we did. Okay, I'm going up, left, up, right, up. I lost. So again, this is in the beginning. I lost. Okay, so finally I would like to create I will change the backdrop. So I will go back to the first background, backdrop 1. So I will, right here, I will create a line. I will choose right here actually, and I will choose the black color. So I will create a black exit point, something like this. So I will go back to my code, and then I will go back to my car, and I will duplicate this. So if I will touch this time this color right here, say U1, and then start from the beginning. So let's start right now. I will try to win, and I will start right now. Okay. Oh, this is the mistake. So when my flag is clicked, my car is going right here. It is not too easy because the car is big and the road is not very easy, as you see. Okay, so I won. Of course, you can make some modifications, for example, to have a message right here, or the car to be disappeared, or anything else you might like. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.